and a also. That's why we can, it is also written x to the power 0, 135 x to the power 0, or it is 135 into 1, because you know that if any value have the power is 0, then their value is 1, like 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 to the power 0, then their value is 1. That's why if degree of the polynomial is 0, it is called the constant polynomial. Then the standard form of the constant polynomial is px is equal to a. Clear? Then after linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If degree of the polynomial is 1. If degree of the polynomial is 1, is called the linear polynomial. Then standard form of the linear polynomial is px is equal to ax plus b. Means here a and b are the real number or constant, and x is the variable. The power of x is 1. Clear? That's why it is called the linear polynomial. And if you want to represent on the graph, then you got a straight line. Clear? And it intersect x axis at a fixed point because it has power 1. In the same way, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means the degree of the polynomial is 2. If any polynomial which highest power is 2, it is called the quadratic polynomial or second degree polynomial, and standard form of the second degree polynomial is px is equal to ax square bx plus c. You see in this the highest power of x is 2. That's why it is called the quadratic polynomial. Clear? Then after cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. If degree of the polynomial is is 3, it means highest power of the given polynomial is 3. It is called the cubic polynomial or polynomial of degree 3. Standard form of the cubic polynomial is px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. It is called the standard form of the cubic polynomial. Like 3x cube plus 6. It is the cubic polynomial. It is not necessary all the means x square and x are also given. Clear? We only check what is the highest power of the given variable. In the same way, one more example, 4x to the power 3 minus 6x square plus 7x plus 5. It is a cubic polynomial because the power of x is 3, or it is called the third degree polynomial. Then after fifth one is the called biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial means degree of the polynomials is 4. If the highest power of given variable is 4, then it is called the biquadratic polynomial or called the fourth degree polynomial. And standard form of the biquadratic polynomial is ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. It is the standard form of the fourth degree polynomial. See with the example 135 x to the power 4 plus 6x plus 7. Here the highest power of x is 4. That's why it is called the biquadratic polynomial. Is that clear? Then one more question. What is the degree says? Degree of the polynomial. What we understood the meaning of the degree. It means if any polynomial with the help of degree we can find how many zeros, means degree is equal to zeros is equal to factors is equal to roots. Then see, suppose any polynomial have degree 1, then it has 1 zero, 1 factor and 1 root. If any polynomial have degree 2, then it has 2 zeros, 2 factors and 2 root. If any polynomial have degree 3, then it has 3 zeros, 3 factors, 3 root. In the same way, with the help of degree you can show what is the roots of the polynomial. It means if the degree of the polynomial is 5, then root of the polynomial is 5, zeros of the polynomial is 5 and factors of the polynomial is also 5. Clear? Then we can complete up to degree. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, thank you.